All right, in chapter 2, we also talk about consecutive integers. Now, I am a huge dork and love consecutive integers, but you guys still sometimes struggle with them. So it says, if x is the first or smallest of 3 consecutive even integers. So I know I'm going to have 3 of them. So I'm going to have a first number, I'm going to have a second number, and I'm going to have a third number. And it tells me that the first number is x. So voila, that's x. Now, how do I go to the next consecutive even integer? Well, first of all, we have to know what the word consecutive means. Consecutive means one right after another. Even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. So if you think about it, pick just an even number in your head. Any even number you can think of. I'm going to pick 4. Okay? So if this number were 4 and I wanted the next even number, what would I have to do to get from 4 to the next even number? Well, the next even number is 6. So I would have to add 2 to the 4 to get to 6, right? Well, in this case, this could be any number in the whole wide world, but to get to that next even number, I'm still going to have to take whatever number I started with and add 2 so that I can get to so I can skip the odd number and get to the even number. So if the first one's x, the second one's x plus 2, and then to get to that third number, I've got to add 2 more to this. Well, 2 and 2 is 4, so that's going to be x plus 4. So that's how I get my even integers. Now, if it was just consecutive integers, it would be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Even if it's odd integers, it's still x, x plus 2, and x plus 4, because to get to the next odd integer, if I start at 3, I got to skip 4, get to 5. So I still have to add 2. All right, so that's how I get my consecutive numbers. Now, let's continue to read. Express the sum of the first even integer and the second even integer. So the sum means I'm going to be adding, and I'm only going to be adding the first one and the second one. So I'm only going to be looking at these two. Okay? So I'm going to take my first one, which is x, and add to it my second one, which is x plus 2. Now, it says, as an algebraic expression containing the variable x. Okay, so here's my algebraic expression. I should probably simplify. So x plus x is 2x plus 2. All right, so this would actually be the sum of the first 2 even integers, which is what it asked me to do, because it just said the first even integer and the second even integer. All right, it didn't say anything about the third one. I didn't have to worry about it. All right, I didn't need to know how to find it if I needed to. It doesn't tell me what the sum equals, so I don't have to worry about putting it equal to anything, and that's it.